Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. If you are new here, welcome as well. So really quickly today I wanted to show you how to fix your crystal items, your Coach crystal items, in case you are missing a rhinestone. So I actually have not had any rhinestones fall off, but I have seen people mention and they freak out and they're like, how do I fix it? So real quick, I just wanted to show you how to do it. So all you need is your rhinestone, depending on what item you have. So this is the first crystal stuff they had, the like darker brown. I know there's like a mushroom, there's a denim blue now, and I know there's more coming. So this is the original one, the dark brown. I don't know the exact name, but the darker one. Look. Okay, so this is the exact same rhinestone as this brown one. If you are missing the crystal one, this would actually be just crystal rhinestones. I'm going to link my favorite rhinestones from Amazon down below in the description so you can go check it out. Like I said, depending which one you have, that's the color you're going to want to get. But this is the smoke topaz. Okay, this matches perfectly with this brown. Look. Perfect match. Look at that. I'm just putting it there so you guys can see it. Okay, and this is a size 6 rhinestone. I think this is the same size they use on all their items so far that they have taken out. This is a size 6. Remember, whatever color you have, size 6, SS6 on Amazon. Okay, and I love using Liquid Fusion. You don't have to buy any iron-on rhinestones, just use Liquid Fusion. It works perfectly. Those rhinestones will stick on to your items. Okay, look, if you are new here, I did this. I did a wallet. I bedazzled it myself, kind of like the same thing as these. Look at that. Okay, this is the same rhinestone that I used here. I wanted it to be very similar to the original stuff. So yeah, for this I did use Liquid Fusion. This is gonna work as a little update, tell you guys how it's doing. This wristlet is doing amazing. I have not had no issues. I have not had any rhinestones fall off, and I have used this wristlet quite a lot and it's doing amazing. It's in my bag, it's rolling around the bag, no issues whatsoever. Those rhinestones are on there. Those rhinestones are not falling off anytime soon. Look at that. I love this one. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna use Liquid Fusion. All these materials are going to be linked. Put just a tiny little dot wherever you are missing your rhinestone. Apply the rhinestone. This is a pickup tool. This is what you use to pick up the rhinestones. You don't have to get a pickup tool. Save yourself some money. Use a crayon, you know, your kiddo's crayons from home. It'll work just the same to pick up your rhinestones. And then apply the rhinestones, let it dry, and you're good to go. Super easy, guys. Fix it at home, quick fix. I just love Coach's crystal items. I can't wait to see the other ones that are gonna come out. I see that a lot of colors are coming, so yeah, I just wanted to help you guys out real quick. Don't freak out, your wallet's going to be good. Okay, go ahead and fix it. Let me know what you think. Are you gonna fix it? Did it help you? Let me know. Leave me a lovely comment. If it did help you, leave me a like and subscribe while you're at it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. See you in the next one. Bye.